might want it now, you'll leave. I know how this goes. You guys are fucking wild. So, in this love song category, I think this song is important. I think it's critical. Not only does it go way back in time in my career, but it also just shows you the eternal optimist, hopeless romantic. That doesn't know when to listen to their intuition. When I wrote this song with two people that I really respect, one of them's name is Gordy Sampson, who's an amazing singer-songwriter, and another writer named Mike Busby, who was also an amazing singer-songwriter. We lost him way too soon, but it was a privilege to be in the room with these guys, and I was really nervous, and I had this idea, I had this title that maybe didn't make any sense to anybody else, but it made sense to me, and so I just started playing this little riff in the room that was very reminiscent of like me growing up in Louisiana. It had a little bit of blues, it had a little bit of country, and we just started messing around with it, and the lyrics eventually made some kind of sense, even though it's really funny to hear what people think I'm saying a lot of the times.